In this video, I'm going to show you how to use the secure folder on your Samsung mobile. So the secure folder is essentially just an extra layer of security, and you can go and place all of your sensitive documents or your private photos inside of this secure folder, and this is going to require an additional security pin in order to access this folder. Now you can even hide and make this folder hidden, so if you want to hide a specific item on your phone, then this is a great way to do it. Now, first thing we need to do is just make sure the secure folder is turned on. So go and open up the settings on your phone and then scroll down and click on security and privacy. Now click on more security settings and click on the secure folder. We can then go through the steps to enable the secure folder. So click on continue, click on more, and then just press next. It's then going to create the folder for you, so just give that a couple of seconds while it loads. And then what you'll need to do is go and set up your security settings. So in order to access the folder, you can set up a PIN code, a password, or a pattern as well. Now I'm just going to click on PIN code, and this can be different to the PIN code that you use to unlock your phone. Now once you've set up a PIN code, you can go and press allow. You can then click next at the bottom of this page, click on next again, and press done. Now from here we can go and decide what we want to add inside of this secure folder. So go and click on the plus icon, and then you can go and select any of your apps. So maybe I wanted a password protect the Facebook app like this. Once it's selected, go and click on add. Now you can also add individual files and photos as well, just by clicking the three vertical dots, click on add files, and you can go and select images, videos, documents, and that kind of thing. So I'm just going to click on images like this. I'm going to select one of my photos and I'm going to press done. Now it's going to say move file or copy it. So if you click on move, this photo's only going to be accessible in this secure folder. If you choose to copy it, then the original photo is going to remain in its original place, and there'll just be a private copy in this folder. So I'm actually going to click on move to make sure nobody else can access this image. Now once you go and close out of this application, in order to find this again, you can use the search box at the bottom of the page. You can just search for secure folder and go and open it up from here. You will need to enter your passcode in order to access the folder, and from here you'll be able to find all of your secured files and documents.